Dear Warren, dear Greg, dear fellow owners, it's such a pleasure to be here. My name is Brevi Panida. I was born in communist Albania.
Communist.
But I'm now teaching economics in London, England. The wonderful writing of Warren and Charlie has significantly shaped my thinking and teaching. I thank you both very much for the many insights over the years. Warren has often written about the importance of Berkshire's earning power to owners. My question is, what was, in your estimate, Berkshire's earning power in the latest fiscal year? It would be great if you can comment on any significant items that either increased or decreased the earning power as compared to reported net income measures for Berkshire. Thank you.
Yeah, well, I think our underlying earning power was affected negatively here a while back by what happened in the utility field. I think that our earning power is not enlarged by any large acquisitions that come along. They come along periodically, so we will see something at some point that could be, on the one that was $10 billion, we would have added to earning power. I mean, why else would we do it? So that's very situational.
Situational.
And of course, it depends so much on what the general market is doing and what interest rates are doing and what psychology is doing. We will make our best deals when people are the most pessimistic. That's been true ever since I was 1930. I was born in 1930. When I was born, things got much more attractive over the next 2 years, and apparently I didn't do anything about it there. But that was the opportunity of a lifetime, and I blew it by worrying about the kid in the next crib or something. But over my lifetime, I've had fabulous opportunities sometimes. And they happen because humans are human. And I don't, I'm fearful of all kinds of things. I don't want to try and, be one of the Wallendas and walk on a tiny strip between a couple of twin towers or something, or whatever it may be. But I don't get fearful by things that other people are afraid of in a financial way. That the idea that if let's say Berkshire went down 50% next week, I would regard that as a fantastic opportunity, and it wouldn't bother me in the least. And most people aren't; they just react differently, and so it's not that I don't have emotions, but I don't have emotions about the prices of stocks. I mean, those decisions get all the way to my brain, whereas emotions can get bogged down some other place.
Get bogged down.
So, Berkshire will increase its earning power over time as we retain money. I mean, we are doing things, making decisions every day. People are working, we're retaining earnings. We will build the earning power, but it won't be coming in any even stream, and it certainly won't be matched dollar for dollar on either the upside or the downside in market prices. But that's what makes it a good business. The investment business is that everything isn't properly appraised, and the sillier other people get, the better your opportunities get.
Properly appraised. Buffett stated that Berkshire's earning power temporarily declined due to the impact of the utility business, but that it would increase if there were attractive large-scale acquisitions. He also mentioned that earning power fluctuates depending on the market, interest rates, and investor psychology, and said, "I wouldn't mind at all if the stock price dropped by 50%. Rather, I would see it as an opportunity." He emphasized that he does not let himself be swayed emotionally by stock price fluctuations and values calm, rational decision-making. In the long term, he intends to accumulate profits and enhance earning power.